Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our channel. This is the place where we truly learn how to build lasting wealth through real estate. Alright folks, if you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, you know real estate is an incredibly powerful path. But where do you even begin your journey? My friends, I've dedicated 25 years to building my own robust portfolio, and I'm sharing every single insight right here with you. Here, we dive deep into strategies like house flipping, wholesaling, private note investing, brokering, arbitrage, and much more. This isn't just theory, it's actionable, real-world advice designed to help you navigate the market, whether you're taking your first steps or ready to scale. I've personally seen these approaches deliver consistent results. So, if you're ready to truly unlock your real estate wealth, hit that subscribe button. I make it approachable, and you absolutely won't regret it.